century-old factory in Dallas could soon be added to a national list of contaminated sites that needs to be cleaned up. The EPA proposed adding Lane Planting Works Incorporated, or plating, I should say, to that list of hazardous sites. The former factory is located on Bonneview Road near Loop 12. Channel 8's Damon Fernandez is uncovering more on the possible hazards.
It's an old factory off Bonneview Road in southeast Oak Cliff. And now the Environmental Protection Agency proposes adding Lane Plating Works Incorporated to the government's Superfund program, a national priority list of hazardous waste sites.
I got a notice in the mail.
Will Williams lives nearby in the Highland Woods community. He says their neighborhood does get updates about contamination around the facility.
Didn't even see the EPA down there.
Some have even seen investigators working on site.
They was testing the soil. They had a posted guard, and they had about 3 or 4 different trailers there. Government
documents show this former electroplating factory conducted hard chromium and cadmium plating on site here for 90 years. The process is used to prevent corrosion on metal parts like nuts, bolts, and brackets. According to EPA reports, cyanide, lead, mercury, and chromium have been found in the soil on site. Reports also show contamination in underlying groundwater and sediment downstream from the factory, which shut down in 2016. This site is still closed and locked up right now. The EPA says it's for violations, investigations, and the company filing for bankruptcy. The EPA says it's been working with the Texas Commission on Environmental Quality to reduce the hazards here, but the agencies say the site will require long-term cleanup.
They need to clean that area up, most definitely.
Neighbors near the old Lane Plating Works site say they don't want known environmental hazards lingering around their residential areas too long. Damon Fernandez, Channel 8 News.